Hello friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Today we're going to see how to make pineapple payasam or kheer. All you need a pineapple. So today I used the cooked half cup pineapple. We need to cook for 10 minutes until nicely cooked. 1 cup coconut milk, 1 cup milk or evaporated milk, 1/4 cup soaked tapioca pearls. So I soak about 1 hour before I start making this dish. Cashew nut, golden raisins, candy pineapple. It's a dry candy. Sugar about half cup. It's based on your taste. Ghee 1 teaspoon. So in the pot I just heat it up and we're going to add the ghee. Once it's melt, we're going to roast the cashew nut. Once cashew nut is golden brown, and we're going to remove it and keep aside. Nice and golden. And now we can add that golden raisin. So we're going to do one at a time. So each ingredient have a different cooking timing. So always do one at a time to have the perfect texture and the color. So once it's plumb up, we're going to remove it, the golden raisin, and in the same pot I'm adding about 1 cup of water and tapioca pearl. So we're going to keep boiling until the tapioca pearls turn to translucent. So we keep boiling. I'm adding the sugar in this point, milk, evaporated milk, coconut milk, and we need to have a very light consistent because the tapioca pearl is a natural thickening agent. So I'm adding the cooked pineapple. So make sure you add the cooked pineapple. Do not add the raw pineapple. It might ruin your kheer or payasam. Now adding the food yellow color, about 1/8 teaspoon. So it's nice golden yellow. Now it's ready. It's so quick. It's optional. You can add the cardamom powder, but I like have that natural pineapple flavor in my kheer or payasam. So I'm not adding any cardamom flavor. So it's optional. So friend, I'm using the pineapple and just pour the kheer inside the pineapple. I'm just adding more pineapple candy on the top of as a decoration. This pineapple kheer is very famous in Kerala, and this is so delicious with the creamy and sweet and very topical flavor. The pineapple have a unique stand and fragrance, and it's so delicious, and either you can enjoy hot or cold. So friend, this is so delicious. It's sweet and with all that garnishing, the coconut milk even give the nice flavor and so creamy texture. Look at this friend, it's so delicious and it's really unique, sweet, and you can always give a try. So friends, for the festival time you can make this delicious pineapple payasam to your friends and family. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.